What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be actually taking care of something that we really wanted to take care of a little while ago, and it's this failing clear coat on the roof. So as you can see, it's pretty bad and we are planning on getting it painted. But something actually really cool happened recently. One of our subscribers slash followers on Instagram hit us up and said they want to send us something. And this is what they sent. So they had mentioned that they watched our first video of us explaining, kind of doing a quick walk around in the video, and they saw how terrible the roof was. We've been wanting to get it painted, but we just haven't yet because we've been mainly focusing on making sure the car runs properly and everything is good as far as maintenance wise. But I want to give a huge shout out to Adam because he honestly didn't have to send it to us. We are not expecting any of you guys to send us stuff, but this is like honestly super cool. So this is actually going to be me and Jirath's first time actually seeing what's in here. So he did already mention that it's going to be a vinyl wrap. Hopefully, I mean, we're going to see what's inside. Hopefully it's not like pink or something.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous, honestly.
Please don't troll us.
This is black. Ooh. Oh no, what? Carbon fiber.
Get crap on fire.
Actually, that doesn't look that bad. Honestly, what brand is this? Oh, it's a little messed up right here. Take it all the way out? I wonder what brand is this? Well, it's from, where is it from? Metro Restyling, so it's definitely not an Amazon one. That's crazy. Actually, that does not look bad. What brand is it? Does it say?
Nope.
Huh. Well, we can't really figure out what brand it is, but from the looks of it, it honestly looks good. It doesn't look like a terrible, cheap carbon fiber vinyl wrap. We've definitely seen really bad carbon fiber wrap, and yeah, this at least looks a lot better. But anyways, thank you. Shout out to Adam again. Like, this is crazy.
Thanks to Adam for the wrap.
Me and Jirath are gonna go ahead and install this. Obviously, you saw how terrible the roof is. So what we'll probably do is just wet sand it, just to get rid of like the rough surface. And then once we wet sand it, we can go ahead and install it as best we can. For him to be nice enough to send us this, we have to put it on the car and run it because we want you guys, or him especially, to enjoy the build just as much as we are. It's gonna look better than what the roof has on it right now, so that's for sure.
Seems like the roof has been wrapped before. They probably leave the wrap for too long, and then the adhesive is still stuck on there.
Yeah, that's true.
What we have to do is wet sand it and then pray.
$100,000 for the cheapest ring on the neck, freaking little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, on the bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, call it in the truck, little bitch.
It's literally good enough. Oh my god.
No, literally the size of the roof.
It's just enough. I mean, we have, you know, probably like that much on each side and then that much front and back.
Good enough.
This is after we wet sand it. Let me see that towel, please. It looks like a mess right now, but as you can see underneath, it's a lot better. It's obviously a lot smoother, so we try to get rid of as much roughness as we can to the paint so it doesn't affect the actual wrap. We're gonna wash it real quick. It's filthy. Make sure it's all clean, that way when we wrap it we have no problems with dust, dirt, or debris. Dust, dirt, and debris, wow. Clever. And as you can see, we stuck a towel through the antenna hole just to make sure that we don't get any water inside. Hopefully that ends up working.
So while this guy replying all the comments, I'll be here explaining what are we going to do right now. So basically the roof is sanded down, pretty much clears up everything, and then we're gonna wrap the roof. So I wiped down everything with alcohol. Pretty much good now.
So we're gonna go ahead and try to wrap this. Hopefully we don't mess anything up. It shouldn't be that hard. But we still don't know what brand vinyl this is, but Jirath says he thinks it's Avery. He said it kind of looks like it when he was looking online. And Avery is a good brand for wrap, so hopefully we don't have any troubles. Just go ahead. Yeah, see it's full right here. One in on the corner, one in up there. Yeah. Well, here's the result. of us laying it down first, and then we're gonna go ahead and squeegee it. It honestly just looks black until you like look up really close, and then you're like, oh, you got the crabs on fire. All right, Jirath, what's your opinion on it?
Out of 10, I give it like 9.
9?
Yeah. The vinyl is pretty flexible, so it's easy to work with. It's not like a cheap, Chinese wrap.
Yeah.
But well, thanks to Adam.
Yes, sir. Well, this is the final look. It's nice and glossy. It honestly doesn't look bad. Don't mind this. I'm gonna sand these down along with some other things and re-clear coat it and just take care of it. It's gonna look so much better. But anyways, focusing on the roof, it looks good. Like honestly, even from a distance, the roof just looked black. So I don't mind that. It looks a lot better than what it used to look like. So that's what matters most, is that it looks better than it did before. Honestly, shout out to Adam, man. He came in clutch. But yeah, it looks good. So all we're gonna do is just put the antenna back on, reset the headliner, and we're done for today. What I'll just do now is we'll jump to the next day and I'll show you what it looks like in the sun. So we repainted this. It looks a lot better now. We obviously still have to do a full detail on the car, but this is what the roof looks like. It looks really good, honestly. And then from afar, in the sunlight, you could tell it's that grayish color. It looks a lot lighter on camera, to be honest, but up close, for a vinyl wrap, that looks really good. So that's pretty much it for this video. It looks really good. It looks a lot better than what it used to look like, that's for sure. Again, we said it a million times, shout out to Adam. If it wasn't for him, the roof wouldn't be looking this good. I know it's kind of a short one, but we do have a lot of content coming. We had a bunch of stuff done to the M3. This is the trunk little handle. It had some clear coat damage, and so we're just repairing that along with the roof rails that we had, and also the trunk spoiler. So this got repainted, but we just have to clear coat it and whatnot. But it's slowly coming together, so we're just kind of like prepping it so that this week we can do a full detail on the M3, get it ready for next weekend. And if you guys haven't already seen on Instagram, we are going to be attending the E46ers / Keeping Up with the Barbarians rally to San Diego. So we're kind of just getting the car ready so that it looks good for the rally. But I'll put up the flyer right here. But if you're also not following the Instagram page already, here's the Instagram. Go follow it. There's a lot more updates. I'm posting like crazy, like almost every day on that account. But yeah, if you have a chance, go check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.